In this video, I'll show you how to transfer stocks from Robinhood to Charles Schwab step by step. First, open your browser and log into your Charles Schwab account. If you don't already have one, create and set up your brokerage account before continuing. Once you're inside your Schwab account, go to the Transfer or Transfer of Assets section. Choose the option to transfer from another brokerage account. Select Robinhood as your current broker, then enter your Robinhood account number and required details. Make sure everything matches exactly to avoid delays. Next, choose whether you want a full transfer or a partial transfer. A full transfer will move all your assets and may close your Robinhood account, while a partial transfer allows you to select specific stocks. Review the assets you want to transfer and confirm your request. After that, submit the transfer. The process is handled through the ACATS system and usually takes a few business days to complete. During this time, avoid trading the stocks being transferred. Once the transfer is complete, your stocks will appear in your Charles Schwab account. That's how you can move your investments from Robinhood to Charles Schwab. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy tutorials.